Hey there everyone, it's Ravindra Devrani back with another video. We are continuing the C# tutorial series, and in previous video we have discussed about classes and objects. Now we will do some exercises related to class and objects. If you find this video helpful, then please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed the channel, hit that subscribe button also. So let's get started and let's see what this exercise is about. So first program is create a class employee with name, salary, date of joining, attributes, and it will have a method get employee details. Now name, salary and date of joining will be set from the constructor, and we have done it previously and we are going to do it again with a different class. So we will create a class. It will be public class employee, and it will have these fields: name, salary, date of joining. So public is string name, public double salary, public date time, date of joining, DOJ. Okay, so and it will have a constructor, it will have a method public, and the method name was get employee details. So get, and let's get employee details. That's it, and we are going to display these details here. So I'm going to use console dot write line. Name and salary and date of joining. So okay, and right here name, right here salary, SALARY salary, and right here DOJ. Okay, so it will need a return type which is void. Now let's create a constructor, and it will be a parameterized constructor. It will take these fields like string name, int double salary, date time, DOJ, and don't confuse with it. It can also be p name, p salary, and p DOJ. Okay, so sorry, it should be e name, means employee name, e salary, employee salary, and e DOJ. Name equals to e name, that's it. Salary equals to e salary, and DOJ equals to e DOJ. We are doing absolutely fine till now. So it is how it will work. So right here we will write employee emp equals to new employee, that's it. And emp dot, sorry, it should be like this: name John, salary will be $3,000, and DOJ equals true. Let's say date time dot now. He has joined right now. Date time dot now. So if we write here employee equals to get employee, employee dot get employee details, And if we run this program, let's see what it is going to print for us. Okay, so here name equals to John, age 30, name Max, age 30. Okay, we haven't changed the default project for this, and it was running the previous one. So for this, what am I gonna do? What I am going to do, I'm going to change it from part 13 to part 14, and we should be all right now. All right, let's click here on the run button, and let's see, name John, salary 3000, and date of joining equals to this. So that's fine. Now let's move to the next program. Create a class that contains add, subtract, multiplication and division methods. Those methods should return a desired value. It means it should return a value. It means we are going to create methods with return types. A public class, let's create another class, public class, and math ops. Let's name it calculator. It will make more sense. So it will have public int sum, that's it. And now public int sum, it will take int x int y, and it will return x plus y. That's fine. Now we will have this subtract method. It will return x minus y. It will have this multiplication method, and it will return x into y. And we will have one more method, which is a division method. So it will return this x divided by y. Okay, so right here, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to comment these lines first. Now I will create an object of that calculator class. So calculator calc equals to new calculator, and first of all I'm going to close this thing. Okay, so calculator, let's write here int x equals to 9 and int y equals to 3. Let's see console dot write line, and before that right here int sum equals to sum calc dot sum x comma y, and int sub equals to sub mul equals to mul, div equals to division. And let's write here the sum of x and y is sum, and let's copy these things. It will be subtract of x and y, multiplication of x and y, and division of x and y. It will be sub, it will be mul, and it will be division div. So let's run this program and let's see what is output. Sum of 9 and 3 is 12, subtract of 9 and 3 is 6, multiplication is 27, and division is 3. So that is absolutely fine. So now let's write here, it is a program 1, it is a program 2, and we are going to comment this because we need to write another program, and we will write it here prog 3. So let's move here and create a method that checks number is even or not. So I am going to create a method here also, and it will public, it will be a string, it will return a string value, and check even. Okay, let's make it bool, and check even, it will take a number, so we will check return num %2 equals to return num %2. So we will check if num %2 equals to 0, then return even, it is even number, else return it is odd number. Let's make it a string again. Okay, so let's see how we can check it. So first of all, we are going to create an object for this calculator class, new calculator. Now cal c console dot write line, cal c dot check even. Let's see 4 is even or not. So 4 should be even number. Yeah, it is an even number. And let's type here 5 should be odd number. It is odd number. So that was all about this video. So that's it for now, and we will continue it later. So see you next time.